Our training evaluation operate outline report stats approved September 28, 2012, effective October 8, 2020. Task number 55 CTR 0003, task to coordinating rail bridge safety assessment distribution and restriction approved for public release distribution. Unlimited destruction notice none. Foreign disclosure FT1. Supporting reference Army Training Publication 414 Expedition Rail Center Operation Required yes. Primary source source of information and none. Condition higher headquarters task for the unit with a coordinated minimum rail bridge safety assessment, safety performance, general railroad system with a transportation task with a foreman under all environmental conditions higher with the headquarters analysis for the area operation available with a coalition partner. Non-combatants and media present with the area operation host nation contract support may be used in study with the summit interactions task should be performed in MOP. Students coordinated with the rail bridge assessment completed in accordance with the tactical standard operation proceed with the directive provide with the higher headquarters and commander of the report prepared when included. Copper Z rating clearance of the track speed with note that the leaders are defined with the soldiers who are in the senior officer, warrant officer of the or NCO position designated with the paragraph line number of the unit table organization equipment. Who's may also be personally assigned to the unit or designated as leader by the commander live no fire none. Objective task evaluation criteria plan preparation operational environment BD and above and environmental training environment executes leader presents the training number to training presents it training required external evaluation performance measures critical performance measures leader performance measures assesses evaluators observe task priority rating and commanders assessment dynamic complex all operating equipment variables and hybrid threat at night and dynamic and complex all operating equipment variable and single threat night and day dynamic and complex all less than all operating equipment variable and single threats by day. Remark the following definition should be used for the operational variables and the need of the stimulate with the mission variable are fixture of the unit of the execution tab with the dynamic operational variable threat with the TTPS for the assigned counteract task chain with the response for the execution of the Blue 4 task with the complex that requires a minimum of 4 terrain time military threat with the social population more operational variable the bridge and higher brigade and higher all 8 operational variables have to be replicated at varying degrees based on the task train. Single threat, regular, irregular, criminal, or terrorist, hybrid threat with a diverse with a dynamic combination, regular force or regular terrorist force, criminal elements achieve the mutual benefit effects. To a planet T or T minus from the task force conduct with a dynamic complex environment with a 4 plus operating equipment variable to high threat with the night at 75% with a mortal leader person greater than 80% soldiers present and the received go and 8% more performance measures. All of the critical performance measures at least 80% of the go on leader performance measures with the must conduct with during external evaluation. Take a step with the measure, develop a plan, prepare, execute, and access with the construct with the performance reinforce operation process and with the implied with the training and evaluation opera outline. The training begins with the execution of the pre-combat checks, inspection training, ending of the designated training object for the particular training of the exercise of the performance Army standard using leadership to conduct with the after-action report, the safety risk low, taste assessment, Q. Higher headquarters for the task of that unit could coordinate with the minimum coordinated rail with the bridge safety assessment, safety performance general with the railroad system, transportation danger. Nor should be alerted, used with the possibility of immediate death with permanent injury. All of the damaged equipment that may occur with a major concern with the probability with death and permanent injury. Warning is ignored. Warning notice should be used at all alert possible immediate personal injury or damage of equipment. Caution notice should also alert possible personal damage equipment that may result from the long-term failure to follow with the correct procedures. Performance steps and measures. Step 1. Step measures are go and no go and not applicable. 1. Unit A receive the mission with a higher headquarters. 2. For the headquarters conduct the mission and also military decision making process. 3. The railway team ensure that the roadbed passes the minimum safety requirements. And A. That each vein out of the water carrying facility under the immediate adjacent of the roadbed should be maintained with the cut free with the protection accommodated expected water flow in the area concerned with the B. The vegetation of the railroad property with which is on immediate adjacent to the roadbed with help to control so that it does not become a fireheads with the tracking carrying structure of the obstructive visibility of the railroad sign signal with an interfere with the railroad employee performing a normal track side. Do with the 4 prepare the prevent proper function of the signal communication line. 5 with the prevent railroad employee visually inspecting before moving the equipment from the normal day duty station. The railway team determine the track geometry meet for the minimum safety requirements. Measure gauge for the ensure the accordance with the current regulations. B. Measure cross levels to ensure the accordance with the current regulations. C. With the track structure meet with the minimum requirements with the ballast cross type of the track and similarly fitting given the physical condition of the rails. D. With the ensure the track applying with the track related device for the minimum requirements of certain of the track applying with the track related devices. 5. The headquarters determining the capacity of the bridges, the minimum safety requirements for the load capacity, the need to the ultimate and maximum load capacity must be the safety load capacity. Issue instructions of the personnel who are responsible for the configuration, operation, training of the bridges to prevent its bridges to prevent operation car, locomotive with the other equipment that would exceed the capacity of the dimension of the bridges. Each bridge management program shall include the provision of the scheduling and inspection for each of the bridge rail service at least once each calendar year. Each repair and modification with the material modified with the capacity of the bridge and stress of the menu of the primary load carrying component of the bridge shall be designed by the railroad bridge engineer. 6. Operations section receive the assessment of the railway team headquarters with the forward to the higher headquarters. Task performance summary block training unit day training with the per iteration 1, 2, 3, 4 day and night percentage and number. Day of training, total leaders authorized, percent of leader present, total soldiers authorized, percent of leaders present, soldiers present, the total number of performance measures, percentage of the measure for the go, total number of the critical performance measure, critical percent of the critical performance measure go, live fire, total number of the critical performance measure, percentage of critical measure go, the total number of the leader performance measures, percentage of the leader performance measures go, MOP level evaluated rating per iteration, TT minus P, P minus, and U, mission supported MOP 4, sometimes MOP 4 statement, known NVGR, known NVG statement, the prerequisite collective task, but supporting collective task number, the OP 4 task number, supporting individual task number 5588A, 55188A, 1219, identifying rail capability supporting the Department of the Defense Operation, 55188U 4405, recommended rail maintenance function, 55188U 4415, evaluating host and ocean contractor rail safety program, 55188U 4430, rail review procedure of the emergency response for the derailment, other incidences, supporting drill of the non-supported AUTLG, UJTL task, provide transportation support, ART 412, TADSS, equipment non-materials listed, non-environmental and safety are the same for all the, pretty much all the critical tasks.